Now you might be in some situations where for some reason your Oura ring just isn't working. So this basically means that your Oura ring that you basically have, no matter what you're doing, either it's not working or it's not working out right. There's a lot of things that can end up happening here. So to troubleshoot this, the very first thing I'd recommend doing is to just go through and just make sure that your particular Oura ring, that there's no problems with its power. So make sure that it's fully powered on and there's no issues with that. So what you can do here is to go through, find your Oura ring charger like this, and go ahead, place it back on the charger as you normally would, and then you'll be able to go through and use your Oura ring with its charger, and that's a really easy first step that I'd recommend kind of thinking about. So that right there would be a really easy thing, and that's another really, really good way to do it. Another thing is to just clean out the sensors that's within it. So within the ring itself, go through in the sensor part that you have here, and just try your best of like cleaning out those sensors. That's another really easy thing you can do here too. And by cleaning out the sensors, that's going to basically go through and kind of fix and address that type of problem as well, hopefully for you as well. Now, if that's not working, you can also probably try repairing it or reconnecting it to the Oura Ring application. So if you're able to go through and place it back inside of the Oura Ring application, and you can also just kind of double check it, see if there's any problems here. That's another thing. Make sure you have your membership signed up and all those things. So that is basically how you use your Oura Ring. It's not super crazy hard, difficult to understand. All you have to do is just kind of take it out of the box every once in a while, put it on your ring finger, and you'll also have to make sure you charge it every once in a while too, because it's not, it doesn't have unlimited battery life. But place it on the charger, and then you should be good to go for the most part. So that's how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.